Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about getting published in a Blacksmith publication.
So this is going to be completely Jessica's department here. Now I'm pretty good at doing the blacksmithing portion of it, but as far as submitting all the requirements and things, I'm a little less good at that. So what does it take, Jessica?
Sure. Let me give you a little bit of background on this one. Right after high school, I took a 9-month course on children's literature, which I know it's not the same as blacksmithing, but they did point out a lot of good tips as far as like being able to figure out what your ideal article should look like when you're going for a specific publication. So I'm kind of going to bring those out here, and that's what I'm going to touch on in this video. Also, Roy and I did work on SOFA's newsletter together for several years. And Southern Ohio Forge and Anvil, they did a quarterly publication, and we worked on that as well. So getting published in a blacksmith publication, so first of all, you'll want to have a certain publication in mind. Some of these there's some put off by Abana, the Anvil's Ring, is that correct? And
the Hammer's Blow.
And the Hammer's Blow. That's an example of 2 of them. A bunch of other clubs and organizations do have their own newsletters as well. And if you're working with a smaller club or organization, in a lot of cases they're just happy to have anything because they may not be getting much of anything from their membership body.
Yeah, and it's okay to shoot small first, and that can lead to other publications. In that case, aim for the smaller clubs first, things like that, to get published in their newsletter for one reason or another, and then hopefully good reasons.
Yes.
Right? And then work your way up from there.
And there's a couple of different types of articles you can write. You could attend a meeting or a demonstration and take some photographs and just write about your observations at attending a club meeting or a conference even. You could, in your own shop, you could make a project and take photographs of each step and kind of write a tutorial on how to make a certain item, perhaps one that you're especially skilled at. And then just another one in general is just writing a kind of a historical type article or an informational article about a famous or well-known blacksmith, or perhaps you have a special interest in something specifically in blacksmithing that would make a good article as well.
Yep. So those are some of the helpful tips that, hopefully that'll get you thinking about some of the clubs or possible things in your area that you can become a part of. Try it out. You'll never know until you try. So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. Thank you for being here.
Yep, glad to have you.
And as we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.